Hey, just a quick video on how to install your app PandaDoc Action Automation for workflows. Navigate to App Market, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install, then click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. When you have successfully installed your app, reload the page, then search for the custom page of the app and click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features such as documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey with the app is right here. We have the tutorial video and the configuration video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to configure your app. We have the app setup. No worries, let's walk you through how to set up and connect your app. Click on the Start Setup and you will be required an API key to complete your configuration. Let's head to the account which we've created online. Head to the settings and click on it. Then you click on API integration under the current works. Head over to the right hand side and click on the API. Then scroll down and click on API and webhooks. Click on Enable. Then you click on Open. You're going to have two API keys right in here. Let's go with the sandbox key. Click on Generate. And then you click on Copy. Head back to your account and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And the Changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To stay updated, toggle on the button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.